At Leonardo, it's all about the customer. To take the customer experience and after-sales services to new heights, the company envisioned a seamless digital interface for all customer interactions, including e-commerce.
Our primary focus is customer satisfaction. Putting the customer at the center requires the right mindset, dedicated people, smart processes, and reliable tools, ultimately delivering an innovative customer experience.
For us in Leonardo, digital services are the key enabler in a continuous journey toward customer centricity and full proficiency of our products. Engagement with our customers is at the heart of a relationship based on trust. Trust is related to our ability to respond to any challenge 7 days a week, 24 hours a day.
It was fundamental for me to co-create with our business, IT, and our partners a platform to enable a unique customer vision at Leonardo level.
Accenture was Leonardo's preferred co-pilot in navigating the entire design to implementation journey, focusing on customer feedback in shaping the user experience.
As Accenture, we have been proudly working side by side with Leonardo on the most diverse transformational endeavors for the last 15 years. Putting the customer at the very center of our joint action, we created something that we believe will represent a benchmark for the aerospace and defense industry.
Keeping our customer firmly at the center, we chose the cloud platform that best met their needs. This is where we appreciated Accenture's support to build up an experience that was truly integrated and engaging.
Agile methodologies, specifically tailored to the technology selected, served us extremely well in bringing together the right competencies and in providing a robust framework to deliver with speed and confidence in line with expectations.
Because customer-facing processes now converge through a unique point of access, operational efficiency at Leonardo has never been greater.
In Leonardo Helicopters, we have embraced the opportunity to deploy the new digital platform as a further commitment to service excellence.
Results to date are impressive. The platform has so far onboarded over 1,600 customers and 11,000 users worldwide, and now welcomes thousands of customer inquiries and orders each week.
Leonardo's new portal is proven to be really beneficial for our business. Interactions are now faster, smoother, and all in one place. The publication section handles and tracks our technical queries, which is very important for our maintenance department.
Leonardo's new platform has helped us improve our internal processes and operational efficiency. We really appreciate the innovative features and totally new experience. The store brings us closer to Leonardo and makes all of our transactions with them simpler, faster, and under control.
We strongly believe that having a single Leonardo platform dedicated to our customer is crucial. Twice, to better support our business and to promptly respond to customer needs.
What's next? The sky is the limit as Leonardo takes innovation to new frontiers.